Everybody seeing this video, fuck to me. Can just die. Figure out that license plate and get him. Everybody coughing in this video, we can kill him. Figure it out. Why he's positioned like that? Why he's spying? Why he gonna be the whole back spying and shit? Sit there, fucking shit. All this fucking nasty ass shit. Every opportunity for some little nasty little bitch to be up in our business and shit. This little bitch to fucking call up more bitches to be little bitch ass daytime light bitches and shit. Get their license plate and fuck them up. Shit. Little fake ass athletic and shit to interrupt and shit. Illegal indirect little bitches and shit. Little fake ass shit between ass talking about fucking rats and shit. Man, who's it? Every little bitch. Every bitch. Put it up on there. The little bitches on the bike and shit don't want to jump up and snatch our shit. Can't give us no fucking privacy. For me to eat.